Alright, welcome back. Time to learn different techniques for navigating within a given worksheet. Like most things in Excel, there are many ways to accomplish the same thing, although there are many keyboard shortcuts to navigate in a worksheet. We don't use them most of the time. We use the mouse, which is a time waster. Take a look. This is super simple. We see a sheet big enough with a lot of data. There are some tips and techniques for moving around the worksheet, perhaps faster than simply scrolling or using arrow keys. Try to press Ctrl plus End key. The active cell moves the last lower right hand corner of the active part of the worksheet. It's not strange to see no data sometimes at the end of a worksheet. Maybe you had data there and later you cut and pasted somewhere else. By pressing Ctrl plus Home key, Excel takes you to the upper left corner. You can use the Ctrl plus arrow key to navigate the end of the data easily. So let me use an example. The first step is to click on any cell in a block of data. Then press Ctrl plus down arrow. You will be immediately taken to the bottom cell in that specific column. If you want to include everything until the last cell containing data, click on the first cell, which is A1, and then use the Ctrl plus Shift down arrow key. All the data from column A will have been selected. Usually I click on the first cell and then I press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow and Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow. Notice that all the active cells are being highlighted. Try this out. Finally, two useful and quick keyboard shortcuts are Ctrl plus spacebar and Shift plus spacebar. What does this really do for you? Click on a random cell inside the table. Now press Ctrl plus spacebar. It selects the whole column to where the active cell is located. Okay, now press Shift plus spacebar. It selects rows instead of columns. Pretty straightforward, right? I hope you understood how these simple tips can save you a huge amount of time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.